Shit, I think we've been caught. It's 8 AM and it's time for another waterfall video. Let's go! So I've just walked into my kitchen and I've never seen this before. Look, all the ants. I don't know if you can see. And they're the red ants as well, so these are the ones that bite. And then there's loads of baby ants too. What's going on? Where are these ants from? What's happened?
When you're bored from waiting in line, or when there's troubles on your mind, when the clouds block out the sun, and nothing seems like fun, when you've dropped your ice cream cone, and you walked the whole way home. What can you do to turn it around? What can you do to turn it around? Wiggle your toes, clap your hands, stomp your feet, get ready to dance, and shake it like you've got ants in your pants.
I feel like the situation isn't quite finished. I feel like they'll be back. But we'll handle that tonight because we're going to see a waterfall. So we're going to, Vanessa, where are we going? We've got Vanessa with us.
Yeah, hi. We're going to Pelaka Fall, Kota Tinggi. I think it's about like an hour from here. Yeah, about an hour from where you live, where he lives.
So it's like an hour and a half when we get there as well, so we've been walking through the jungle.
To the main waterfall. So there's few waterfalls. There's like 4 waterfalls. So to the end, it's gonna take us around like an hour and a half to get there.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy the road trip, guys. We're excited. It'd be cool to go to another waterfall. We've got the awesome trio. Let's go. Just off to get a quick healthy meal before we go hiking or walking. Just need a bit of healthy food in me. Hello.
Ya udah.
Hi, could I get a double cheeseburger and chips, please?
Double cheeseburger, one set.
Yes, please.
Okay, your drinks, sir. Cool.
Ooh, I'll have a Coke, please.
Yeah.
Is that all? That's all. I don't know why I'm asking you that. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, hello.
Hi.
She must be a vlogger. She knows exactly what she was doing.
She knows.
Right, she knows. She knows it's Holly Odyssey. Right. Hello. Hi.
What?
I'm famous. So the other time we did this trip, we saw this rainforest cafe. You might remember if you've seen the video. If not, the link's in the bio. Go and check it out. There was this rainforest resort here, and it was shut last time. It looked a bit sketchy, but apparently it's open. So we're going to go and have a look and see if we can just have a drink. Time? Oh, okay.
Because after MCO, we only open for... Sorry.
Alright, no worries. Thank you. Apparently you can only go in if it's if you've booked in advance, which is annoying. I don't know why they're taking like that's money. You know what I mean? Yeah, like we were willing to spend money on some drinks. All I wanted to do was have a glass of orange juice.
Maybe they don't even sell drinks.
Right, so we've got to sneak through here first of all. I'm wearing my Yeezys, don't worry, they're not real. And we've got to sneak over and sneak through the plantation first, but we'll tell you as we go. So we've moved to the GoPro now because I'm not heaving a big camera all the way through. But we've started on the little trek. We're going through a little plantation here. Vanessa's the guide, she knows where she's going.
I've been here once.
This is all on you, Vanessa, this is all on you. She's been here once, but that's one more time than we've been.
It's really dark, like at night, like at 8 p.m. So it's like pitch dark. I have my headlamp on with my cycling partner and we just walk. And then we ended up at a campsite, found the waterfall. Easy. Nothing complicated.
Easy, nothing complicated. Right, so I suppose we'll just see how it goes. So what's just happened is some guys have just stopped us and told us apparently the government are like waiting to stop people from going in because it's not allowed. But nothing a cheeky 50 and a bit of a smooth talk can sort out. So we'll see if we can get in. Like those guys have been turned back, but they might recognise me. You never know. Might recognise me being the big YouTube star that I am. Yeah, let's try and sneak around them. That'd be more fun. Let's try and sneak round the guards because then they're not seeing us. That's the other plan. So we've probably been walking for about 10 minutes now. Not too long, but we haven't actually like come to any sort of government guys, like apparently there are. So bit of a piss take for them, to be fair, making people walk like half an hour to be told you can't go there. It's like they're doing it on purpose. Right, first obstacle. The guards are here. So I'm just going to put the GoPro down, pretend I'm not using it. So that's the car. Hide the number plate. So we're going this way. Back of the net so far, looks good. Stupendous. Legitimately just heard what sounded like a baby T-Rex from Jurassic Park 2. How fucking cool would that be? So I shouldn't swear then, I'll have to bleep that out. That doesn't look very safe. Health and safety will be having a field day. I'm not really sure, but guards are that way, so we've sort of didn't see them. So we're trying to sneak through. That doesn't look like it's a way through? No? Right, I say we just make it through the stream. Like, if you want to get to a waterfall, you just follow the water. In my opinion.
Huh. Yeah.
This the trail.
That's the trail. Yeah.
Found it. What does this mean?
So these are the rules that you can't take anything from the forest. Oh my god. Yeah, that's what it says in the sign.
So here's my thoughts on the matter. I don't speak Malay.
You know what? It's okay. Let's just go get in.
Yeah.
Just act stupid.
But I don't know what it means. I don't know what this means. And you can just pretend you don't know either.
Yeah.
Shit, I think we've been caught.
So you have to pay 10 ringgit to get the permit. And you have to go to the office to get the permit. And now it's PKP, so like all the forests are closed. So
Yes.
So we can't go on?
No.
Oh.
Okay, sekarang I tak boleh sebab tadi ya. Okay.
We're not allowed to go any further. We've been stopped.
I tahu. You punya you.
So basically, yeah, so the forests are closed. I think what they're trying to say is the forests are closed because of lockdown. Which means we can't go up to the waterfall, which kind of sucks. But
they're really nice about it.
they've been, yeah, to be fair, like the guys have been really nice about it. They're not being arsey, like they're just telling us how it is. But I mean, like to be fair, we've come into some lush jungle.
Beautiful here.
Yeah.
Love it.
So the current situation is we cannot go any further than this. So we just got to sort of enjoy this little pool. Which is sad, we'd like to see it, but apparently the reason is because it's just finished monsoon season, so all the rocks are really slippy, which makes sense. It's for our safety more than anything else, but we are here right in the middle of like the jungle, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. So 100% even worth just coming this far. Now the guys have said no one else can come this far, but because we're here, they said we can like sort of have a dip, have a swim, and obviously it's nice. It's not too deep. I mean, it's probably waist high, but I mean it's swimmable. Have a little dip, have a nice time, and get some nice pictures.
The main waterfall.
So that is it, guys. Unfortunately, we cannot go any further with the waterfalls. We've had a nice little walk through the jungle, but unfortunately, that's where it ends. We're gonna go see it. There is another waterfall, which I've also done a video for already. So we've nearly made it back out after our 45-minute walk. It's ridiculous. Yeah, so we've nearly made it back out of the plantation. There are some other people that also got turned back. So unfortunately, the Kota Tinggi waterfalls were also closed. Obviously, CMCO is still trying to keep things safe. So we are going to head back now, just trying to find a pool to swim in, because like the whole idea of today was to chill and swim. So we're going to try and find somewhere to swim. Probably back towards where we live. Probably just where we normally go. But been an enjoyable day. Jungle was nice. So we just pulled over and we've seen a dead snake, and I think it's a dead cobra. It looks like a spitting cobra, but its tail just moved, so it's very fresh. I don't know.
Let me just poke it.
We don't know if it's dead or alive. It's definitely dead. But Vanessa's gonna poke it, see if it moves.
It's very fresh. It's still like a soft stomach.
Poor thing. So I promised you all that I was going to go to a waterfall today, and I'm a man of my word. So I'm literally going to go and get in the only waterfall nearby which is open. wasn't quite the waterfall we wanted today, but it was a fun adventure. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe and